Hello, my name is Dan O'Connell. I'm the Vice President of North American Sales for Fiberstar. In this video, I'll be talking about Citri-Fi natural citrus fiber and its many unique functionalities that make it superior versus other citrus fibers and ingredients in the marketplace. When I'm out visiting various companies, the first question asked is, why Citri-Fi? The ingredient market is a crowded place. So it's important to understand what Citri-Fi citrus fiber is, what it does, and why it should be considered first among all the options available. First, let's talk about Citri-Fi itself. Citri-Fi is created using a patented process that opens the fiber to create natural high water holding capacity and emulsification properties, which are applicable to multiple food applications. Citri-Fi can be labeled as citrus fiber, citrus flour, or dried citrus pulp, which resonate well in the clean label and natural markets. Citri-Fi also works synergistically with other hydrocolloids like starches and gums to provide additional functionalities, improve nutritional profiles, and offer potential cost savings. Because of the simple labeling, Citri-Fi can help clean up labels of food products by replacing or reducing other ingredients such as modified starches, gums, allergens, and others including saturated fats and phosphates. Citrus fiber is created by producing byproduct from the juicing industry. This material is created by mechanically opening the fibrous cell wall material. The process loosens and opens the tightly bound soluble and insoluble fibers and protein to create an expanded fiber matrix. This material is then dried and milled into a free-flowing powder. Citri-Fi sustainability starts with the raw material supply, which is byproduct from the citrus juicing industry. This is unlike other suppliers in the market who produce their product from pectin production. The clean process creates higher value products that would otherwise have been turned into animal feed. Citri-Fi is not chemically modified and does not contain an E number. This functional fiber's nutritional composition is preserved. Citri-Fi, which contains native pectin, can be used to help improve labeling, texture, and nutrition in food products. Citri-Fi starts as a byproduct from a citrus plant. Here is a cross-section image of an orange and its many components. Some of these components are what go into the process to make Citri-Fi. As you can see here, the electron micrograph shows what citrus material looks like before it's processed using the patented technology. The fibers are smooth and tightly compacted, which affect the water holding capacity and emulsification properties. After the material is passed through the process, the fiber is opened to create high surface area. In this image, the fiber is roughed up and provides significantly more touch points and crevices for water and/or oil to bind when used in a food product. Fiberstar has 11 product types that are differentiated by composition and/or particle size. The workhorse products, Citri-Fi 100, 125, and 150 contain only the citrus fiber. Certain applications may require additional viscosity, so we recommend Citri-Fi 200, which is co-processed with guar gum, or Citri-Fi 300, which is co-processed with xanthan gum. Citri-Fi contains about 80% fiber depending on the product. This fiber is half soluble fiber that contains native pectin and half insoluble fiber and protein. The soluble fiber attracts the water, binds it, and provides viscosity. The insoluble fiber provides the structure to hold the water indefinitely. The protein helps in binding fat and oil to stabilize emulsions. These benefits are novel since there are very few ingredients in the marketplace that can bind both water and/or oil naturally, even during adverse conditions such as freeze-thaw. Not all citrus fibers created equal. There's a pre-notion that there's a limited supply of citrus fiber. That's true with other citrus fibers on the market. However, there's an unconstrained supply of Citri-Fi. Thanks to the patented pulp and peel process and unlimited global supply, Fiberstar can provide customers with a highly functioning fiber. Citri-Fi's composition of soluble and insoluble fiber sets itself apart from other citrus fibers. Other citrus fibers are mostly insoluble or cellulose-based fibers because of the byproducts from pectin production. Citri-Fi is created using mechanical forces. Other citrus fibers use solvents or chemicals, especially during the extraction process. The result shows that Citri-Fi's high water holding and emulsification properties are superior versus others in the market. Some others need calcium salts to increase their functionality, which adds one more step. Citri-Fi's water holding is proven out here. We tested various commercial fibers in the market, including carrot, wheat, cottonseed, tomato, and oat, to name a few. Citri-Fi 100 holds almost 5 times more water than the oat fiber tested, and almost 2 times more than the wheat fiber, both of which are widely used in the industry. The other perk is that Citri-Fi holds the water even during the most adverse conditions, such as thermal and freeze-thaw, which is not the case for most of the other fibers. This benefit is further proven when tested in a food application. In this scenario, we tested the Citri-Fi in a cooked meatball. The test demonstrates that Citri-Fi not only holds on to the most water per gram as it is, but also holds on to more water per gram after the meatball cooking process compared to the other fibers tested. Water holding is not the only finest feature. As mentioned, Citri-Fi also provides excellent emulsification stabilization properties. Since this citrus fiber uses various mechanisms to create the emulsion, a standard HLB test cannot be used. As a result, Fiberstar created a test to measure the relative oil holding capacity for each stabilizer. This test creates an emulsion using various emulsifiers and stabilizers. After hydration, the emulsions were mixed with some shear and then centrifuged. The results were measured by gram of oil per gram of stabilizer to create an index. Here you can see that Citri-Fi Products indexes are significantly higher than its competing counterparts. For instance, Citri-Fi holds 5 to 8 more times oil than certain oat fibers. The other unique feature of Citri-Fi is its ability to provide additional functionality when it's sheared. This is ideal for manufacturers who use equipment in the process that can provide some form of high shear, such as homogenization. While many other ingredients break down and lose their functionality when exposed to high shear, Citri-Fi uses shear to its advantage. Here you can see emulsions created by hand versus 100 bar and 200 bar of homogenization pressure. The emulsions become thicker with the higher pressures or shear. This benefits many food products such as sauces and beverages. As mentioned before, Citri-Fi has high surface area, which is not only great for water holding, but this natural fiber can also be used to turn liquids into dry powders. For instance, Citri-Fi can hold 20 to 25% oil, in some cases up to 30% depending on the oil used. This fiber not only offers the high oil load, however, it also provides additional functionality when the flowing powder is used in food products. For instance, Citri-Fi used as a flavor oil carrier, which is incorporated into a drink. The fiber stabilizes the oil in the beverage while adding mouthfeel, texture, and clouding. The last benefit that Citri-Fi provides is gelling. Citri-Fi contains about 40% native pectin, which can be activated using the same parameters as activating commercial pectins. This fiber can be used to extend pectin in food preparations for bakery, yogurts, and beverages. However, its popular use is to improve fruit preparation texture. In high bricks and low pH conditions, the Citri-Fi's gelling properties are activated. Here you can see that at 55 bricks, the gel gets firmer when lowering the pH to level 3.2. One can also target specific fruit preparation textures by using different Citri-Fi particle sizes. The coarser Citri-Fi 100 creates pulpy and thick textures, while the finer grind Citri-Fi 100M40 creates a smooth texture. Now that we've reviewed the key functional benefits of Citri-Fi, Let's discuss what functional benefits Citri-Fi provides in several of the food segments. Citri-Fi is ideal for baked goods. The high water holding improves the quality over shelf life in both regular and gluten-free bakery products. Its water holding also allows formulators to reduce the amount of egg and/or oil, which further improves the food product's declaration. In meat and poultry, Citri-Fi's water holding increases the yield, reduces purge, which helps create a juicy and firm textured product. In beverages, Citri-Fi can be used in a variety of ways, which include improving texture and mouthfeel. This functional fiber can extend pulp of juice drinks, which provide cost savings. In dressings and sauces, the fibrous matrix stimulates tomato composition. Therefore, Citri-Fi can be used to help extend tomato solids or improve the texture of tomato-based products. Citri-Fi is heat, pH, and shear stable, which prevents separation over time in a variety of soups and sauces. In dairy, Citri-Fi is used to improve texture, reduce syneresis, which is a common issue in dairy products. And finally, in pet food and treats, Citri-Fi can be used to strengthen, reduce stickiness, and improve flowability of injection molded bones. This fiber binds and reduces crumbling in biscuit products. And in semi-moist treats, Citri-Fi binds moisture to create that meat-like texture. Citri-Fi's functional properties benefit various food applications within each food segment we mentioned in the previous slide. For instance, Citri-Fi improves a variety of bakery products such as bread, croissants, muffins, cakes, cookies, bars, laminated doughs, and biscuits. Citri-Fi also improves the quality of gluten-free bakery products over shelf life, which is a key in this market. If you're looking to improve filling or texture or reduce blowouts, Citri-Fi is an ideal fiber. Citri-Fi is also key in increasing and improving yields in meat and poultry products like injection marinated poultry, chopped and formed products, ground meat, kebabs, and emulsified meats. Moreover, Citri-Fi can help reduce oil and improve texture in fried products when incorporated in the coatings. Another hot area is the meat analog or the vegetarian meatless meat market. Citri-Fi retains the moisture, binds, and improves the texture to improve the eating experience. In beverages, Citri-Fi can be used in powdered drinks, juices, protein-enriched drinks, yogurt-based beverages, and smoothies. Another hot area is plant-based milks and drinks. Citri-Fi is used in these applications to improve stability and mouthfeel. Sauces is another key area for Citri-Fi. This natural ingredient's emulsification properties are used in mayonnaise, salad dressings, dipping sauces, and roux. Its water-holding ability prevents water separation over time in cold salads like coleslaw. And because its fibrous structure is similar to tomato, it can be used to extend tomato solids and sauces. In dairy, Citri-Fi's water holding is used to improve the quality of yogurts, sour cream, spreads, and fresh cheeses. In pet food and treats, Citri-Fi's various functionalities benefit biscuits, semi-moist treats, and injection molded bones. Citri-Fi is commonly used to replace or reduce ingredients to improve food product labeling. Some of the ingredients include modified starches, gums, and carrageenan. This natural fiber can also help replace allergens such as wheat, soy, or egg-based ingredients. Citri-Fi can also replace chemical-sounding ingredients such as phosphates, silicates, and chemically modified stablers and emulsifiers. This chart outlines the replacement opportunities across several food segments. We appreciate you taking time to watch this video. We welcome your call. We're anxious to come and talk to you about Citri-Fi and how we can help you. Please see the contacts listed on the screen. Feel free to reach out or check out our website at www.fiberstaringredients.com. New videos will be appearing as we move forward with specific applications. Thank you for watching the video. We look forward to working with you.